How to check battery health and usage in Samsung M32. First of all, open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you are in, scroll down and tap on battery and device care. This section helps you manage your phone's performance and battery status. Now, tap on battery. Here you can see the current battery percentage along with the estimated usage time remaining. Just below that, you'll find a graph showing your battery usage over time. Tap on Since Last Charge to get more details. This will show you which apps and system functions have used the most battery since your last full charge. You can scroll through the list to check which apps are draining your battery the most. To improve battery life, you can also use the power saving mode from this menu, which limits background activity and helps extend usage time when you are low in charge. To help protect your battery's lifespan, Samsung offers a Protect Battery option that limits the maximum charge to 85%. To enable this, toggle the switch next to Protect Battery. This helps reduce battery aging by preventing the phone from charging to 100% all the time. And that's it. Now you know how to check battery health and usage in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.